Hello friends, can you identify the noun and the noun phrase in the sentence? The tall girl who goes to the gym is my friend. Were you able to find it? Okay, let me give you a hint. There are three nouns and two noun phrases. Can you guess them? The word girl, gym, and friend are noun, while the entire group of words, the tall girl who goes to the gym and my friend, are noun phrases. Do you want to learn the ABC of the noun phrases? In this video, we will learn what are noun phrases. Then, we will understand how to identify or form a noun phrase. Finally, we will learn where they are generally used in the sentences with lots of examples and exercises. So let's get started. What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is made of two words, noun plus phrase. The noun is the name of a person like Leo Messi, place like Eiffel Tower, thing like book, or an idea like love. And what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that has no subject-verb agreements, so it cannot stand alone, but it has a meaning and a proper grammatical structure. For example, Leo Messi is a great footballer. Here, a great footballer is acting as an object of a sentence, which means it is acting as a noun in the sentence. And as it is a group of words which has a meaning but no subject agreement, so it is a noun phrase. Now let's learn the formation of a noun phrase, the general structure of noun. Noun phrase is like this: pre-modifiers plus noun plus post-modifiers. Pre-modifiers could be generally from any of the below. Number 1, determiners, which includes articles like a and the. Possessives like my, yours, his, her. Demonstratives like this, that, these, those. Quantifiers like some, few, little, many. Number 2, number like 1, 2, 3. Number 3, adjective like big, small, tall. And pre-modifiers could be generally from any of the below. Prepositional phrase: the policeman traveling around the city. Here, around the city is a prepositional phrase. Number 2, gerund phrase. Drinking too much water can harm you. Drinking too much water is a gerund phrase. Can harm is the verb of the sentence. Infinitive phrase. He asked the students to teach English. Here, to teach English is an infinitive phrase. Number 4, relative clause. The lady whose hair is brown is in a bus is so beautiful. Here, whose hair is brown in a bus is so beautiful is a relative clause. Functions of noun phrase. A noun phrase has similar functions which is a noun has in the sentence. What are the main functions of a noun? A noun has four main functions in a sentence. Number 1, it can act as a subject in the sentence. Number 2, it can act as an object in the sentence. Number 3, it can act as an subject complement in the sentence. Number 4, it can act as an case in an opposition. We will look each of them with an example noun phrase. Acting as a subject in the sentence structure would be subject plus verb plus object. And here a noun phrase would be acting as a subject in the sentence. For example, let's look in the example of it. The red house is for sale. Phrase the red house is acting as a subject in the sentence. So it is a noun phrase. Now let's look into the example where noun phrase is used as an object in the sentence. Noun phrase can act in three different ways as an object in the sentence. Number one, object to verb. Here sentence structure would be subject plus verb plus object. For example, Rohan wanted a skateboard. Here the phrase a skateboard is an acting as an object to the verb want. Number 2, objective preposition. Here the sentence structure would be subject plus verb plus object 1 plus preposition plus object 2. For example, Rohan rode on a skateboard. Here a phrase a skateboard is acting as an object to the preposition on. Number 3, indirect object. Here the sentence structure is subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. For example, Rohan gave the little boy a skateboard. Here the phrase the little boy is acting as an indirect object. The main object is skateboard. In this way, a noun phrase can act as an object in the sentence. Now let's look into the example where a noun phrase is used as a case in opposition in the sentence. The sentence structure would be subject plus subject 1, which is a noun phrase, plus verb plus object. For example, the living room, the biggest room in the house, looks out onto a beautiful garden. Here the phrase the biggest room in the house is giving more information about noun living room. So it is a case in opposition. In this way, a noun phrase can act as a case opposition in the sentence. So the four ways in a noun phrase might come are as a subject, as an object, subject complement, or case in opposition. I hope now you got an understanding of noun phrase. Thank you for watching.